Good morning class. I am Nikhilesh Mishra, your computer teacher. Students, today we start our fourth chapter, that is the working on spreadsheet Excel 2016. So students, spreadsheet क्या होता है? Spreadsheet means a large piece of paper that accountants use for business finances, and the accountants would spread informations like cost, payment, taxes, incomes, etc. out on a single big oversized sheet of a paper to get a complete financial overview. Then after, अब बात आती है कि हमारी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्प्रेडशीट, जो क्योंकि आजकल का यूज जो हमारा वर्ल्ड है ये कंप्यूटर वर्ल्ड कहा जाता है. देन इन दिस ईयर an electronic spreadsheet is a computer application program that stimulates a physical spreadsheet by capturing, displaying and manipulate data, arranging in row and columns. And spreadsheet is widely used in schools, offices, banks and financial agencies. यहाँ पे यूज होता है. What makes spreadsheet so popular is their ability to perform calculations based on the data stored in them. जो इसका मेन जो इसकी जो मेन मतलब वर्किंग है या जो मेन इसकी एबिलिटी है इज दैट द कैलकुलेशन बेस्ड ऑन द डेटा स्टोर इन देम. मीन्स जो डेटा हम स्टोर करते हैं उसके ऊपर हम कैलकुलेशंस कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस डेटा कैन बी यूज फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, एवरेज सेल्स, result sheet, salary statement, business balance sheet, etc. We maintain these things in spreadsheet. And another important feature of spreadsheet software is the ability to recalculate the value automatically if the source data change. Means अगर हम कोई source data change कर देते हैं then the spreadsheet software is ability to recalculate the value automatically. Then the various spreadsheet softwares available in the market like your MS Excel, most popular, LibreOffice Calc, OpenOffice Calc, etc. And in this Microsoft Excel, this is the most popular spreadsheet program या application. Students, Excel की बात करते हैं तो Excel 2016 is used to create and format worksheet in order to analyze, track, pivot, calculate and to represent numeric data. Students, we use Excel for entering, editing and formatting the data. So students, अब Excel की हम बात करते हैं तो Excel means Microsoft Excel is the popular spreadsheet component of Microsoft Office Suite. Means ये Microsoft Office Suite का ही एक पार्ट है. Students, which allow you to store, organize, calculate and manipulate. Manipulate means to judge the available data. Students, a spreadsheet is like a grid, means consisting of rows and columns in which data can be organized in a tabular forms. It provides inbuilt features and tools such as formulas, functions and data analysis tools that make it easier to work with large amount of data. Students, it has an additional features to representing data in a chart from form that help us to analyze and understand our data easily. So students, it is used to automate finance statements, carry out transactions of account payable or received and organize business plans of any company. So this is your Excel. Yeah, Microsoft Excel. So students, after that we have advantages. We discuss about advantages of the spreadsheet. या यूँ कह लीजिए कि important features. So students, I think some of the important features of Excel are like function and formulas. Means functions are inbuilt in formula used for calculation, percentage, interest, average, etc. in MS Excel. And formula are mainly used to perform simple and complex calculations. Then after formatting features, formatting features improve the appearance of data. Auto calculation, the data is automatically recalculated in the whole worksheet if any changes is made in a single cell. And fast searching, sorting and editing data, representing data, entering data in series using autofill option, that is we discuss later. Data can be viewed in graphical form as chart, which helps to understand, analyze and compare data in an effective manner. Data can be arranged, means sort, either in increasing or decreasing order. So students, these are the advantages, advanced features. We have made MS Excel the first choice of professional to quick perform lengthy accounting and financial tasks, and they make immediate decisions. So this is your Excel. After that student, we have worksheet and workbook. So वर्कशीट एंड वर्कबुक का कॉन्सेप्ट थोड़ा सा समझिए. बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? MS Excel file is referred to as a workbook in which you work. नाम से क्लियर है, workbook in which you work and store your data. Means we work in the workbook and then store our data. Each workbook consists of several worksheets. In it, it is similar page in a notebook, and worksheet are like pages, and workbook is like your notebook. The Excel window that appears on the screen is called a workbook. It is assigned a temporary name like book 1, book 2, book 3, and worksheet is grid like area made up of rows and columns where you enter data. So this is the your worksheet and workbook. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वर्कशीट में जो सेल्स हैं दैट कंसिस्ट 1048576 रोज एंड 16384 कॉलम्स. एंड वर्कबुक मैंने बताया जो है वो आपकी शीट 1, शीट 2 और शीट 3 के नाम से, या बुक 1, बुक 2 या बुक 3 के नाम से होगी. सो दिस इज द worksheet and workbook concept. After that, benefits of multiple worksheets. हमें इनसे benefit क्या मिलता है? The ability to have multiple worksheet is in Excel workbook allow you to organize your data. Each worksheet can contain a different set of data. Means they have ability for multiple worksheets in a Excel workbook allow us to organize our data. And each worksheet they can contain different sets of data. Students, then after adding a worksheet, how we add a worksheet. So student, to this we have control shortcut key. Here we give shift plus F11 shortcut key that help to insert worksheet. And to add a new worksheet, click on the plus sign next to the last worksheet tab. A new blank worksheet will create. Alternatively, you can click on sheet under insert on the top menu bar of Excel, which we see here. This is the insert. So यहाँ पे हम जा करके शीट को इंसर्ट करा सकते हैं, या वी टेल लाइक ब्लैंक डॉक्यूमेंट. सो दिस इज द वे. आफ्टर दैट स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव रीनेमिंग अ वर्कशीट. हम शीट को रीनेम कैसे करते हैं? लाइक मतलब मीन्स यू कैन रीनेम अ वर्कशीट इन ऑर्डर टू मेक इट मोर रिलेवेंट for users, for readers. Usually we name a worksheet considering the type of data it is holding. For example, if a worksheet contains daily attendance, you can name it as attendance. And let us discuss about the how we rename a worksheet. For this, students right click on the worksheet tab, then select the rename option, type the new name for your worksheet, means जो आपकी for your convenience, then press enter key, the new name of worksheet will be appear. So these are the things by which we work on spreadsheet. So students, in this video we discuss about the spreadsheet, after that Excel, what is Excel and how Excel work help us to for working, then after advantages या यूँ कह लें कि features of spreadsheet, then we have the basic concept of workbook and worksheet, after that benefit of multiple worksheets and adding a worksheet, and at last we discuss renaming a worksheet. So students, this is the basic thing, and after that in the next video we discuss about how we enter data in a spreadsheet, and then we discuss about types of data like text, value, formulas, data, date and times, etc., and many more topics in the next video. Students, if you have any query, so please contact me. Thank you very much and take care.